Hope you guys are doing well. In this video I'm going to tell you that how you can make your settings on WhatsApp, how you can change your status, privacy settings and some other settings in WhatsApp Android. So let's start. So first of all, what you have to do, simply you have to open the WhatsApp. After opening the WhatsApp, as you can see, it's my chat. So let's go to the setting. After going to the setting, you have some options in account. Here you are going to get some options related to your account. If you want to change the number, you have to click on the change number. If you want to add an account, you can also add account. If you want to delete the account, you can also do that. After that, you have some privacy settings. If you want to hide your last scene, here you can see the options like everyone, my contacts, nobody. If you click on the nobody, then nobody will see your last scene. After that, let's go to the about. In about section, you will get the everyone option, that who can see your about information. After that, you have my status, my contacts. That means who can see your status. If you click on my contacts, your all saved contacts will see your all saved contacts will see your status. And if you click on my contact accept, you have to select some contacts which will not see your status. Only share with, you have to select only those contacts with whom you want to share your status. So these are the basic options. If you want to share or connect your Facebook, you can also do that. So these are the basic settings. These are some others too, you can use them too. After that, you have chat option. After clicking on chat option, you have some options too, like if you want to change your theme, you can also make your theme light or darker. After that, you have wallpapers. If you want to change a wallpaper, you can also do that. You have a lot of wallpapers. You can use your photo on photo. After that, you have enter is sent. If you want that enter should be sent, you have to click on, you have to on this option. If you want that whoever is sending your media, that should be shown in gallery, then you have to click on media visibility. And these are some other options too, like font and all. Let's go to the back. So these are the basic options. They are going to be very useful for you guys. So I hope this video is going to be very useful for you guys. So see you in the next video.